Hi, I'm Brandy Heflin. I'm a personalized physics instructor, and I help high school and college students feel confident and successful in learning physics. I wanted to give you a brief video introduction today to share with you my qualification and background, and to just discuss why I love the subject so much. I fell in love with physics in the high school classroom, where I finally had a purpose for the mathematics I'd been learning in all of my math classes. I was able to take what I'd learned there and apply it to the real measurable physical world. And I loved the predictive power of physics and being able to describe different kinds of physical phenomena that I, saw happening. I was learning to drive around the same time, and there's so much physics, in particular mechanics, involved in being a safe and responsible driver. And I loved being able to discuss that connection with my students when I became a teacher. I earned my Bachelor of Science in Astronomy and Physics from Yale University in 2003. And truthfully, college physics kicked my butt. I had struggled like I'd never struggled with anything before. And it really humbled me and gave me a lot of insights when I became a teacher into the kinds of difficulties that my students would have. I reached a point where I didn't want to continue in that major, but I didn't have enough credits to change. So I toughed it out and decided to go back to the high school classroom where I'd fallen in love with the subject. I completed the Yale Teacher Preparation Program in 2004 and completed my Physics 7 through 12 certification, and then went on to teach in public and private high schools in Connecticut and Ohio for 10 years. In 2007, I also added Mathematics 7 through 12 certification. So in my years as a teacher, I taught conceptual physics, honors physics, and AP Physics B, which has now been replaced with AP Physics 1 and AP Physics 2, which are the algebra-based courses. I was honored to be selected by the National Science Foundation to attend a 5-week professional development experience at the University of Washington in the summer of 2010. I also became a University of Connecticut early college experience instructor, which meant that the UConn Department of Physics evaluated my AP course materials and decided that my class was the equivalent of their introductory courses, and that gave my AP Physics students the opportunity to earn dual credit with UConn. In 2012, I earned my Master of Natural Science in Physics from Arizona State University. My program focused on physics education and the most effective means of teaching and learning physics. My action research project to complete my master's degree focused on the necessity of students developing solid conceptual understanding before they could develop strong quantitative problem-solving skills. And that was something that I had seen in myself as a learner, and that my cohort and I had all seen in our students leading up to our formal study within our master's program. I left the classroom in 2014, realizing that I just wanted more freedom and flexibility than being a classroom teacher had permitted me. And I still loved working with kids. I still loved being of service, and I still loved the subject. So the obvious choice was to become a physics tutor. So I've worked independently for myself, privately, face-to-face, and online. I tutored online for Tutor.com from 2014 until 2016. And in 2015, I became a private one-on-one online tutor for Prep Now. And in my time with Prep Now, I've worked with students all the way from 9th grade physics up through introductory college physics, including APC mechanics and APC electricity and magnetism. So I've expanded my own learning and capabilities working as a tutor beyond what I had when I left the classroom a few years ago. I love helping students with physics so much. It just brings me so much joy to see them go from feeling defeated and discouraged and lost and confused, and helping to guide them from that place to feeling like physics finally makes sense. I currently have time slots available for my free family discovery sessions where I invite parents and their children to work with me for an hour to get some help, and we can find out if working together is the right fit for both of us. So ways that you can connect with me include email, brandyheflinphysics@gmail.com, my website, brandyheflin.com, and then on Facebook, Physics Tutor Brandy. I look forward to hearing from you soon. I love physics and I love helping you. Until next time.